Till this point, we just learned how to make a graph. Now let's learn how to make a persistent memory. So doing that is actually very easy. The one way is very easy that I'll teach you. So you just need to import in the same code LangGraph.checkpoint.memory. Let's import memory saver, and we are going to use the same state and same builder. Let's use same model. Also let's use same node. This is also going to be the same. The only thing that is going to change is when you do a compilation. There you can define your memory saver checkpointer. This is what we are saying. We are saying add the persistent sense with the memory. So let's make a thread 1, and it is going to be in this format. Is going to be, you need to define the configurable and the thread ID. So it can be a UUID. You can provide any ID. It should be unique one. Now the way you are going to invoke your mod is going to be different. So let's comment this out, and till thread we just added the thread one, and let's bring our first AI message. So here you can see we are calling just the same thing. Hi, my name is Jack, and this is the thread ID. So if you remember, if you invoke again, the model will lose the context of previous message. Let me run it. Now without this thread, if you are going to run it, and then if you make another invocation, let's make it result 2, and we'll ask what was my name, and we, as long as we provide the same configurable, then we can ensure that model will have this memory context with it. So let's run it and see if it works. Perfect. Hi, my name is Jack. This is the human message. Hi Jack, nice to meet you. How can I help you? Now this is the second message. You said your name was Jack. That's perfect. Now what happens if I do not pass this thread and then run it? Alright, we need to remove this as well. We need to compile it without checkpoint. You'll see the difference. This is the first message. After that we'll have second message. If we are interested, what was my name? I don't know. You haven't told me your name in this conversation, and I don't have any just the differences. We just passed the configurable memory savers thread point, and that is the only difference that it made for the memory management. This is the one of the ways of doing the memory management, and it's very helpful if you want your model to retain the context of the conversation, like in a chatbot system. So this is how you are going to do it. Thank you.